My first impression of these shoes is really good. I really like the way the leather looks. I really like the way the leather feels. I like the styling. I like the fit. I like how they look on my feet. And they seem very comfortable. I had sizing issues with Grenson in the past, where I followed the advice that Grenson gives on their website, and the result was that the shoes were way too big. So I went almost a full size down from their recommendation this time, and it works pretty good. I would suggest, if you're interested in these shoes, to go at least half a size down from what the Grenson website recommends, but that's up to you. In terms of pricing, I got mine on sale 20% off. These are expensive shoes, so if you can save even 10%, it's worth it. Grenson often has extensive sales on their website. Right now, they have a sale with up to 60% off. And in fact, I got another pair of shoes for almost 65% off. The one thing that I will say is a little disappointing is that at this price level, I would have expected a dust bag inside the box, some kind of bags to transport the shoes when I travel. I have had shoes at similar price points before from different brands like Tod's. Let's take Tod's as an example. They always come with a dust bag. I bought these shoes because I was looking for something in black that I could use both casual and dressy. These shoes, I believe, will be perfect under a suit, and they will look great under a pair of nice trousers like I'm wearing now, or even under a nice pair of jeans. They can be used in a lot of different settings. The one thing I do not like about these shoes and about Grenson in general is that I believe that they are using what I would say misleading branding. If you look under the sole of these shoes, it says England, Grenson, England 1866. Now, these shoes are not made in England. I knew it going in. They're actually made in India. A lot of Grenson shoes are made in India. However, under the sole, they say England 1866. Now, they do not say made in England, so I cannot say that they are lying explicitly about where the shoes are made, but they do say England 1866, and they do not say made in India. When you buy a pair of Grenson shoes that are made in the UK, in England, they specifically say made in England. Let's take the example of these Grenson Canterbury shoes that I had ordered a few weeks ago, but that I had to return because the size wasn't correct, and I actually did not particularly like the style. You can see under the sole that they do say explicitly bench made in England, very proudly, together with the usual Grenson England 1866. So my point is that when they want to make sure that you know that they're made in England, they proudly say so. And when they want you to think that they're made in England without actually telling you that they are, they will just use the branding Grenson England 1866. I think it's a little dishonest, but perhaps that's just me. Other than that, I really like the shoes and I will keep them. And I intend on updating you all after a few months and hopefully after a few years, because I hope they will last a long time. So that's it for today. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again soon.